and that look like roads when you look at them from above are called the basilica. But that doesn't mean that basilicas did not exist before Christianity. They existed as some forms of administrative buildings. And this one that you can see right here was generally used as the court hall where the trials were held. But again, in the 4th century AD, it was converted into a church. It was used as a church for 2 centuries. And as I told you, everything that you see here have been reconstructed, but not completely. But we can use our imagination to reconstruct them and say that all these columns that you can see right here were as high as those 3 constructions, and we call it the Ionic order. And you know what? It emerged from here. It was invented right here.
Just remind me like a little girl.
It has a fancier meaning that could be translated as the place of the fire. And the reason it was called like this is that we know that there was an ever-burning fire that symbolized the glory of the city. And it was the main responsibility to keep this fire from being extinguished of the mayor of the city, apart from all of his responsibilities. And it was dedicated to Hestia, or Vesta in the Roman mythology, who was the goddess. Let's take a few photos, then we'll carry on, okay? Found in other cities, you might see a very delicate woman with a nice dress and a bow, as she was a huntress herself. But her depiction in Ephesus was very different. That's what she looks like in Ephesus. That's what we call the Artemis of Ephesus, and can only be seen right here, nowhere else. As you see, she wears a crown on her head, and around her body there are some beehives, eggs, or breasts. We can't still identify what they are, but we know that they symbolize fertility. As she was also the goddess of fertility here, because she was a combination of Anatolian goddesses and a Greek goddess, Artemis. So that's why she looked in a more mightier figure. And on her breast, on her skirt, sorry, there are some beasts that she is associated with, like bears, deers, especially boars.
下的洞，这个意思是不然的一个花。你说你用一个去哪？
If you can walk on the right side of the road, on the concrete, it will be better. Let's avoid the dark marble. It's more slippery, and the concrete is the best way. Win the lottery and become rich in the next 40 years until I get change in the city. If I ever get it back. Yeah, on rate.
Aldın. Tabii. Yok. Yok hiç şey yapma ya. Ben 27 galiba 25 sen 25 gibi şey yaptın. Tamam. Biri aldık hallettik. Hiç sıkılmadan bunlar olağan şeyler olur. Şeyde sen
Bitti taşlar.
데크트사
Those, yes, copies or papyrus. Yeah, they are red. They usually red. Some people take them for tourist stuff because most of them think about it.